Hey guys, so it is 2:58. In 2 minutes I'm gonna click the prepare to launch button, and I have been like super nervous and excited at least for the past week, but like today it's definitely like right on the verge of anxiety. So I'm really looking forward to it. So Kickstarter doesn't let you like schedule your launch. So I have to like sit here and hover if I want to get it like at 3. And since I've been promoting the launch is going live at 3, of course I'm gonna sit here and hover. But we've been working really hard on this. We've been recording so much video. We've been going out and getting so much footage. And then before that, it was a lot of work laying out the book and making new graphics for the book and then making graphics for the Kickstarter. And then even before that, of course, it was a lot of work making all those comic pages. The comic pages are the easy part, though. It's all the other stuff, the putting myself out there. There's definitely a possibility that this will fail. It's exciting, but it's also really scary for me. So fingers crossed. I'm looking forward to it. As you can see, I keep looking to check to make sure I like hit that prepare to launch button. And there's some other steps before, so I can even start clicking through. So there's like a checklist here, and then I have to click that I've read the details, and then when I click this launch now button, that's it. Like, we're live, and it's 3. Sorry, y'all can tell I'm nervous. All right, so drum roll, launch now, waiting for Kickstarter. So it is now live. Obviously, I'm excited because my voice just went up like 5 decibels, and that's how you know Becca's excited, because her voice gets really loud and I talk really fast. So we are going for 7,500 to print volume 2. Got lots of awesome stuff. And I will hopefully see you guys tonight for the pajama party, because I'm doing free sketch requests for anybody who backs at the $25 or above level. And there's even like a launch day special that mentions this. So anything beyond $25, you get a free sketch if you come hang out with me tonight. So it's live. I'm so excited. I'm going to go promote the heck out of this, and I'll see you guys again later. Bye.